Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to manage multiple workspaces in Asana, the complete 25 guide. To start with, you need to create your workspaces. You do this by clicking on your profile photo at the top right corner of the Asana homepage and then selecting Create New Workspace. The reason we do this is to ensure that each project or team has a separate area to work in without overlap. Once you've created your workspaces, you'll want to customize them according to your project's needs. For this, you'll navigate to the Settings tab of each workspace and tailor it as per your project requirements. This is essential because it helps you keep your projects organized and ensures everyone involved knows exactly where to find what they need. Now that we've done that, let's talk about switching between workspaces. It's as simple as clicking on your profile photo and then selecting the workspace you want to switch to from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it allows you to quickly and easily navigate between different projects or teams. Next up is inviting members to your workspaces. You'll do this by clicking on the Invite button at the top of the workspace and then typing in the email addresses of the people you want to add. This is critical because it ensures that all team members have access to the workspace and can contribute to the project. Let me explain why managing notifications is important. In each workspace, you can customize your notification settings to ensure that you're only alerted about the updates that matter to you. Simply head over to My Profile Settings and then to the Notifications tab to manage this. This matters because it prevents your inbox from being cluttered with unnecessary notifications and helps you focus on what's really important. And there you have it. You've learned how to manage multiple workspaces in Asana. Remember, effective workspace management in Asana can drastically improve your team's productivity and organization. With that, we'll wrap up for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.